Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Gardening with Grayson. In today's video I'm going to be decorating this side patio. So this patio is situated on the east side of my house and it gets sun until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it's in the shade for the rest of the day. So a couple of videos ago I cleaned everything, cleaned all the pavers with a 30-second outdoor cleaner, and it came pretty clean for me. So it's time to get this patio all loaded with furniture and plants and make it into a really cozy outdoor room. So a little bit about this patio. So I used to have split rail fencing that came all the way down, and where the two panels are across the back here was a double gate. And so what I decided to do was eliminate that portion of the split rail fence, add the vinyl fencing, and as you can see, it gave me a really nice private little corner, little courtyard patio here. I'm out here every day. I use this primarily in the morning and in the hot part of the day after the sun's gone off of it. This here is an umbrella stand. I made this out of like a half whiskey barrel. It's a planter. It's hard resin plastic. Hello, doggy. So what do you say? Let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, here it is all decorated. This is approach down the sidewalk. These are the two topiaries here on either side with the yellow marigolds here that I planted several weeks ago. The canna lily in the back right hand corner. There's the Supertunia Bordeaux. There's the El Brito Coleus. And the pots that I spray painted and planted up with caladiums and begonias a few weeks ago. But yeah, this is my cozy little patio. This was just in full glorious bloom here. This is the sparkling rose and the Gara. It's just kind of in between flushes right now. I did have coleus in each corner, but I decided to take those out and trade them for the green velvet boxwoods on either side of the bench. This bench does have a little bit of rust in it that I may be using a little Rust-Oleum on later. This is a little lattice wall here. And this is the black potato vine here. A couple of lanterns, a little tiny boxwood there. Welcome to our garden sign. A little butterfly, a little gecko, little lizard. I thought that was kind of cool. And then down below I have this Japanese painted fern. It's basically in total shade. So again, this patio gets sun until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 1:30. I did have a topiary in here earlier and I decided to take it out and replace it with this little bird. And there's a little latch here and the top opens, and then I'll just put a little piece of buffalo plaid ribbon up there. A little black lantern. A couple of little teal green candle holders. I just have little tea lights in them there. But yeah, I just trimmed the Supertunia Bordeaux back a couple of days ago and fertilized them. You know, the growing zone here in 8A in North Carolina is so long that they were already to the ground, y'all. So I had to trim them back, give them a bit of fertilizer, and they were ready to go. So I'm trying to pan slowly. And these containers are doing very nicely here. These are the ones that I painted a few weeks ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago. And then down the sidewalk. So I thought the topiaries look good here. And some of this stuff can change. And this is I approach the deck, coming off the deck onto the patio room here. But yeah, it's just a cozy little area. And the white vinyl fencing just added immediate privacy, immediate. And it's really all I needed was 4 panels just to kind of create this square here. And this umbrella has lights built into it, so at night it casts a really nice light. Okay everyone, so that's going to do it for this project today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as it will help me to continue to grow and bring you more content. I'm going to go inside and try to get cool. It is 95 degrees here today in North Carolina, and as you can see, I am completely sweating like crazy. From my garden to yours, I'll see you in the next video.